explanation for the past video. Now you check with the x value is 15. 15 is greater or equal to 12. So condition is true. So it is printing this. If it is not, you want to print something else. So I can go for else. ELSE else colon enter print. You want to print lesser. Okay. So let me just give 10 and I'll run this statement. Here you can say this 10 is greater than or equal to 12, condition is false, so it is coming to else and it is printing lesser. Now if I give here more than 12, 13 is greater than 12, so it will print greater sign. So based on your condition, you are choosing one of the statement in this to print. So this even also called as like selection statements. If, else, if, these are also called as like selection statements. So we are done with single if, we are done with if else, and the third one is called as like if elif ladder. So if elif ladder, let me just show you a program which is already there in the textbook that I'll explain you first and then we'll go ahead with the thing. I minimize. Here let me scroll down. It's a it's the last program which you can see for this thing. Here it is the program. So let me just zoom it. Now here you can see the question is accept marks in 5 subjects from the user, calculate the percentage and display the grades based on the following criteria. So now you're taking 5 subjects. Here you can see this English, math, science, computers and Hindi. So you're taking input 5 subject marks and all those subjects are being added and then divided by 5, which is giving you an average, which you can say here we are calculating a percentage. Now whatever it is calculated sorry, so that is been stored in percentage. Now here it is checked. Here you can see if elif ladder, if we are writing multiple times elif between if and else, so this is called as if elif ladder. Now if percentage is greater than 85, then you want to print grade A. If it is greater than 70 and less than or equal to 80, then B, then so on. At last you want to print. If it is not satisfied with these 4 conditions, then it want to print as grade E. Okay, like grade E you can say like 45 and below. 45 and below is grade E actually here. You can see this. Less than or equal to 45, which is E. You can, based on these conditions, the statements are then printed. So let's do the same thing for the programming part so that we can understand this clearly. Let me just go back to Python. So file, new file I'm taking. Here let's write the program for that. Like first thing is you have English